Hey friends, you're most welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. Today I'm going to be working with you guys, showing you how you can work with the data scrubbing. So I have this website that I do tend to use for scrubbing up data, but these are some of the stuffs I'm going to walk you through. So one of them is here. I did just where I pick the data from the database, sorry, not from the. Now this today is just passing up data that is within the site. Next time I will show you how you can scrub a site or data from the complete database, and then you pass it all along, and then you pass it inside something called a span, and then you can decide to have it there. So this is just a very complete basic of data scrubbing that I have so far. So let me just show you. So at the moment on that site of mine, I don't have any record there because I tend to first make it under build. So I tend to hibernate most of the stuff within the site. So when you check, there's nothing there, and that implies if I scrub this site and I tend to go in here, I'll still find up nothing. So I'm going to be scrubbing up this site. So nothing I'll get there. But if I go to this other website of mine, which is ospwebhosting.com, you realize that there's data scrubbed from this site. So this is called data scrubbing as a course. So what I'm giving you now today is complete basic data scrubbing. And when you try to run this site, it's going to load up for us at this website. So the site is going to load up for you. And to scrub this information, I just need to pick this URL. Now this being the complete basic, I'm just going to pass it there because I'm getting the content from there. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to pass up inside this very span. So I'm just going to keep the splint explore to pick from everything within this content and just display for me the scrub the content. So you find out that there's nothing much that's really going to you'll just see the complete information scrubbed because I've not specified what specifically to scrub within the site. That's what happens there. Get? So this definitely gives us a chance to scrub up the complete information within this site, the styling used, the APIs used. You see, this gives you a complete information on this site, triggers for everything, the JavaScript used. It even exposes up thousands of the APK, limit APIs. That's data scrubbing. So definitely you can look on through this site. The viewport gives you the complete return. Now the same applies to if I'm going to scrub up another site, maybe buyparkerlast.com. That's just another big site. So if you check up here, if I'm to scrub this inside, you're going to see that I'm returning up content. It's telling you return for all the products, all those stuffs you used. So this is it. So you would scrub this website and then turn this data into Johnson data and then use it. So this is a sample of data scrubbing. So if you guys want this as another course independently, please comment down on my video description. I'll be in position to show you more on data scrubbing. So thanks for watching this short video. Don't forget the code is so basic, which is that just basic code. Yeah, it's very basic. So I'll show you the most next time. Thank you.